Hi everybody. Answer the question. This is initiative of intelligent freshers to help to the intelligent engineers, those who are preparing for the competitive examinations. Question of this week on analog circuits. You need to apply the intelligence. Question of this week on analog circuits, that is operation amplifiers. You have just 2 minutes time to answer this question. Question is: assume operation amplifier is ideal. The voltage gain of amplifier is given by, that is V0 upon Vin is given by, operation amplifier circuit is given. This is connected to ground. 4 options are given. One of the options is correct. You have just 2 minutes time to answer this question. So what you need to do is that you need to use basic fundamentals, that is understanding of negative feedback amplifiers. We know that non-inverting amplifier, negative feedback, this is R2, R1, V in. V0 divided by V in is given by 1 plus R2 divided by R1 is the voltage gain. If it is inverting amplifier, negative positive, negative feedback, V0, this is R1, V in, this is R offset minimizing resistor. So V0 divided by V in is given by minus R2 divided by R1. And we use negative feedback because it increases the input impedance, reduces output impedance, improves the bandwidth. But disadvantage is that it reduces the closed loop gain, that is, it reduces the voltage gain. So now try to use this to solve the question. So given circuit, let us sketch negative, positive. This is R1, R2. This is connected to ground. This is V0. This is R3. This is V in. Now this is V0. There is no any resistor in this from this V0 to this point. So this is V0. So let us rearrange this. So now this is given. What we can do is that let us mark this point as X. This is Y. Sketch the equivalent analog circuit. This is V0, which is Vx. From X to Y, R2 is there. So this is Y. From Y to input, R1 is there. This is V in. And from V0 to ground, R3 is there. So this is basically inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier. So we know that what is gain of the inverting amplifier? Gain of the inverting amplifier is given by V0 divided by V in is equal to minus R2 divided by R1. So from the given option B is correct. So whenever this kind of example is given, don't get confused. Don't try to do the series parallel combination of resistors, because here R3 is connected to ground from V0 point. So effectively what happens is that current I1 is same like IF. So this is basically your inverting amplifier. So very simple. So you can get the voltage gain is ratio of output voltage to input voltage, which is minus R2 divided by R1. So what you can do is that you can solve many examples on the operation amplifier, that is negative feedback, then positive feedback, oscillators, Smith triggers. then applications of the operation amplifiers like adders, then subtractors, multiplication, division, integrator, differentiator, and we'll be having online courses which will be launched soon on the operation amplifiers, analog circuits, and other subjects which are useful for the competitive examination. So I will stop here. Thank you very much. All the very best.